Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Sharon Silvery, 37 years of age, married, and blessed with 2 kids. I'm a high school graduate.
Good day, Miss Cheryl. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
A good domestic helper must be patient, kind, hardworking, and trustworthy.
So since you're a first timer, how are you going to avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I keep myself busy at my duties and responsibilities.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, by giving them nutritious foods, proper vitamins, tutoring, and love them like my own kids.
So what if you commit mistake to your employer, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I apologize and promise not to do the same mistake again.
So any message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me and promise to do my best and finish my 2 years contract to you.
Okay, thank you to Miss Cheryl. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.